Cafe, isn't it? She was looking very scruffy for a while, and I thought, oh, maybe she's having trouble sort of reaching to clean herself, and so I thought I'd better start giving her a brush. Right, that does it. You must have itchy bits now or something, I think. What do you do most evenings, you guys? Do you watch TV together or anything like that? Or just...
I normally do research.
Do you? What sort of research?
Car audio.
Oh, really?
Yeah. There's always things to learn.
Yeah, because things are changing in the summer, so isn't it?
Really keep up with that.
Yeah. So can you get a job at one of those?
Misa. It's hard to get in the job with that area because
Everyone wants to do it.
they do, but like I've got a lot of knowledge and I'm very good at it, but I just don't have the actual job experience. I have never had the job in that area. It's just my passion.
Oh, okay. So what you really need to do is get a good job, get the money behind you, and start your own business doing it.
Yeah, you can have that. It's got car systems in there as well.
That's
Probably very much so.
Probably out of date, is it?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter, there's always stuff in there, is there?
Always stuff.
I've got how to make the boxes.
It's not a big jacket there that won't come out. I suppose it will one day. Where's it, Lisa?
Thank you very much for that.
Sure. You can use it.
Well, I will. It's hard too finding actual speakers to keep up with the amount of bass in a car.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You don't want to just sound muggy and like mud.
But because the bass is so loud and big and heavy sort of thing, you have to have the other sound that's kind of the same levels or something.
It takes a bit of power to drive all that stuff. Right. Yes. You can flatten your car battery and no problem.
I've got a 160 amp alternator and a huge battery and a 35 farad capacitor in the power.
So do you go to car shows and things and like that?
Not really car shows, just competitions.
Oh, I see, yeah. You win?
Oh, I've got a few awards at home.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. We went to one, what was that, at the Badminton place. There were all these cars with the group open. Do you remember that?
The sports complex.
It was that low, it was just a murmur.
That's the sort of bass you want.
It was like an eruption.
I was near BGT.
Oh yes, it might have been too. That's where I learnt my forklift driving at the back there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's where Dad put the charger into reverse and instead of going forward instead of reverse, remember? And you hit the brick wall, you were up. So luckily he was only going very slow because he stopped. And he said, would you like to drive the car? Yep, and put it in the wrong gear.
First and reverse with.
Reverse to what was normal or something. Well, close together, was it? Yeah, but luckily it was just when you were taking off. You didn't do any damage to the wall or the car.
Dog leg is first is where second is.
Oh, yeah.
First is where first is.
They were reversing the charger was up.
Yeah.
You know, there and first is next to it.
Yeah. Same as a Corvette.
Is it? We saw an E-type Jaguar this morning. Let's see them too often. There's a black one. The only other one, I've seen one in Ballarat a couple of times, the dark green one.
You seen anything about that new 86 Toyota Coupe?
No?
Partnership with Subaru, new car.
Oh,
Yeah.
I was reading it to me.
It's about 30 grand.
Yeah,
It's pretty good.
I saw it 26.5. So.
Really?
Yeah, they got the Subaru Boxer engine in it. It's a litre job.
Is it rear-wheel drive? Yeah.
I reckon
Well,
it isn't.
They don't say.
Because if they've got a horizontally opposed engine, they've probably done it so that they've got more room for the front wheel drive mechanism and still keep the bonnet fairly low instead of being tall like lots of...
They hope to sell a lot like the Meta, Meta MX-5. They need to have it rear-wheel drive.
Yeah.
It doesn't say, I think it would be, but I still reckon with that motor, that's why they've gone for that motor. I think, don't you?
Because the bonnet's probably low.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. You have to go and have a look at it in the car shop when they've got one in there.
But 30 grand is not too bad, I suppose. Because they haven't got any.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah. Like it anymore.
So that new R35 Skyline at the survey today.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
160 odd thousand.
Really? Oh, very lot.
It's funny, like you see, like the chart of how many decibels of what things. That needs to go up more now. The old car that I had that I built system in it was 144 dB. Used to suck the air out.
Did you used to drive it when it was really loud?
Only on the highway.
Oh, yeah.
A bit rude going around town. Like.
Yeah. And some people don't seem to worry, do they?
No. They don't have a lot of respect.
Well,
I think this one dropped it.
Yeah, you might pick up something.
Why not?
oh, now, actually, I was going to get you to do that thing for me. Show me what to do.